Sunday. Football day in America. Guess I'm riding by myself. That's okay. It means I can ride a little faster. All right. 76 degrees the last day of November, our last week of November. Not too shabby. Nice thing about riding on Sundays, as I've said before, there's not as much traffic because people are home watching football. Easy peasy. Oh, it's so nice out. Do I say that like every time I get on this motorcycle? Well, the weather's supposed to change next week. Big storm coming, I say. Big storm. Cold, wet. Yeah. Woohoo. I rode the Beamer yesterday. Today I'm riding the Triumph. One of the things I like better about the Beamer is the it corners a little bit better. Yeah, it just feels so solid on turns and corners. You guys want to go see the ocean? All right, twist my arm. Let's go see the ocean. Plane! My Arai helmet with my purple panda mic, which I'm pretty happy with. I should probably swap out the mic in my showy helmet, my external mic. I think it's like a little Sony or something, but I notice that when I crank up the throttle on the Beamer when I'm riding, there's like a crackle. Whoa. Oh yes. Look at that. Ha! Gorgeous. Look at that girl's in her swimsuit. It's so nice out. It's November. Whoops. Are you parking? Oh, okay. Wow. So beautiful. You guys want to go take a peek? Come on. Oh man. Nice waves. Holy moly, it's just too gorgeous. Surfers out there. Can't believe this weather. Oh, it's a pretty bike. Look at this beautiful bike. You are a blast. Wow, just so amazingly beautiful. All right. breezy. Getting off, dude? Let's get off. What the heck? Gary.
Yeah.
Oh. We're supposed to go for a ride. What are you doing?
Sorry.
Come on, man. What the
I
heck?
wasn't taking a nap. I was just resting.
Okay. All right. Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
All right.